I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV.
Hi everyone, I'm Maddie. I am so excited to be here on Jerusha's channel.
This is so exciting, you guys. Seriously, we're like kids in a candy shop. We have been planning this for quite a while now. This girl, Miss Maddie Shops, if you do not know her channel, you should. This is the queen of Chanel in our community, trust me. I say it to her all the time. The ready-to-wear this girl collects and buys is insane. So the items she gets are insane. She follows each collection. So she had pre-ordered, like, well, firstly, her amount from 23 was amazing, and then she had pre-ordered a lot from 24C. So the cruise, which was right up her alley, because it was pink heaven.
It was Barbie summer. It's been so much fun doing everything pink, girly, and then this was just like to cap it all off.
The California, yeah, it was chef's kiss. Yeah. The California side of it was insane. So she picked up so many amazing, beautiful items all behind her, and she inspired me. So I was like, we should do like a duo video. That's what really this is. It's duo, so it's happening at the same time. So it's live for the two of us, but we're gonna split screen for you guys so you can see our reactions. I'm going first because I am the amateur and this is the queen right here. Stop. So I want to go first so that I'm excited to see her unboxing because I am super excited.
I'm super excited to see what you got and just thrilled. Like, I mean, we all know Jerusha, OG YouTube, like it was invented here, people.
Like veteran beyond belief, like literally veteran. So, as you saw in the thumbnail of this video, here is my little goodie in this bag. So we have a beautiful camellia, and this was before the holiday packaging, which again, Maddie, you picked up some gorgeous. We have like a full set. What are you actually going to do with the black?
I don't know. So I did a reel actually about like all the different things that you could do with it. Yeah. I think it's supposed to be like a scarf holder. I think that's what it's supposed to be used as, but honestly, I don't know. I think what I'm going to do next year is put them on a tree in my office here and do like a Chanel tree versus
it could
like
be so cute. Like because the ribbon was the velvet and it sat on the ribbon. So I thought get a piece of really good quality velvet ribbon. You don't want to wear the Chanel one, but put it as a choker. Remember like 90s chokers vibe?
Oh my gosh, yeah. I mean, I have like the Dior ribbon choker that like they charged hundreds of dollars.
Because that was fashion jewelry. Yeah, that was fashion jewelry.
That was it.
But I mean, you could put the heart like smack bang in the center. Well, did you see? I did my earrings. I did my packaging as the earrings. They look so good. I've got a few sideways looks of like, who was that? One comment saying boycott Chanel. And I was like, why not? Shame.
Sure, I guess. I don't know.
So this is
I've been watching your Chanel vlogs. I'm like so excited to see what you grabbed. Because I know the first time you went to the store, it was like, no bueno. No. It was not good.
No, it was so bad. Yeah. And they felt like they were just, when you were saying you were waiting for pieces, I was like, no crap. Like they're just taking so long to get in and, you know, the pre-order and everything like that. So anyway, this is not the holiday packaging. This is your classic packaging, and inside. Oh my God. Inside. She's probably going to know because she's so like pro.
Let's use my x-ray vision.
Oh, you so know sizes. My lights are blowing it out. So we have our camellia and our ribbon. Proof of purchase. I'll share the price. Australia is 1.7 below.
It makes me sick.
Oh, sorry, 1.7 above. However, you said in your last video tax.
Oh yeah, you don't have tax in Australia.
It's included. So really, 1.7 above you. 1.7 above you.
That's more like 1.6. Yeah. So there's like a whole 0.1%
of tax. Literally. Yeah. So the finished price is, yeah. still,
Yeah.
like say the iridescent bag behind you is like, if for us it's
This
like
is 6,000, and so then you add 600 tax.
right. So 6,600, and for us it's like 7,800. 8,200.
I still don't like those numbers. Those are
No,
our
number, it's painful. It is absolutely painful. All right,
Yeah.
ready? Here we go.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready for our dual unboxing together. So the
It's
beautiful
gotta be
Camellia.
Pink or iridescent or a card holder.
I don't want to disappoint
no.
you.
Oh my gosh, no.
Oh no.
I won't be disappointed. I'm excited.
Would you be disappointed if it's not?
No. Oh my god, never.
So our beautiful Chanel box. And a care booklet. All right. Are we ready?
I'm ready. Oh my gosh. I think it's
What?
I don't know.
I tricked you. It's pink. I had to do pink. This is Maddie. This is Maddie Shops. Hello. Hello.
That is so cute.
Oh my gosh. So this is the flat card holder.
Oh my gosh, there's a star on it.
Yeah,
Star
so
on
it's
the
a
CC.
star.
Sorry.
It's the star with, star with the CC, and it has rhinestones. So why do they just? Why can't they come up with names? Smaller the goods, KKP.
They do have
Great.
names. They just don't tell them to anybody. Like this one's called like Hollywood Boulevard. They all have names. They just don't tell you. But anyway,
So, I mean, logistically, I'm not going to do cutaways, but I am going to turn these lights down so you can see the true pink. I mean, it's Barbie pink. It is lambskin. It is lambskin, the small leather goods card holder, flat card holder, lambskin. It has the CC with like the double shooting star on the bottom, which has crystals in it. So is that the CC on that star? So it's the
it
same?
has a little. No, this is just a regular CC. It's just a star. Like stars were a part of the theme, right? Like,
sorry, I thought that
the star
bag.
Yeah.
I thought the actual CC on that for a second was this same one. So I'm going to show this up close because these lights will blow it out.
Yeah, it looks good
you
from
can
where I'm
see,
sitting, but.
Okay, well you can see here the two, so a smaller star, a bigger star, and then these are filled with about 3 or 4 rhinestones, and then this is kind of like just it's almost like braided in the CC. It is Barbie pink. This is a salmon. This sweater is like a salmon. That is as fuchsia as you get, and then my iridescent. This is much more of like a. Yeah, metal pink.
Yeah.
Pinky pink. Purple pink almost. So that's it. Surprise! I told you I wanted to go first. I'm not
I love this.
You do? Are you proud of me?
Well, I think it's, first of all, the pink and the stars, like, you will always remember this collection from those two things. You know, like the show was in LA, Venice Beach. Like, this is the vibe of the show captured. I love that.
In one item, and I just feel like there was different choices. The zip around, which I have 3 of, I wanted to get something exactly that encapsulated it. I don't love lamb. I decided this year I honestly can't do flat. I can do soft leathers if it's kind of in a region of non-scratchable in sense, but I'm sick of things wearing and getting a scuff and then me being like OCD about it. Do you understand? And then you kind of like put it to the side and not really use it because you're worrying about it too much. That's exactly what I did with my 22 long. I got a 22 long flap wallet and it sat on the side because I was like, I can't even use this. So I'm gonna stray
just use it
from
until it falls apart.
That's Maddie's motto. Anyway, that's my unboxing.
I love
She
it.
loves it.
Oh my gosh.
The Chanel
I'm so
Queen.
excited. I can't wait for you to see what I got. So,
That is it, guys. I'm so glad we got to do this jewel unboxing together. So that is my Maddie's reaction to my 24C cruise. So 24 cruise collection, the Super Barbie California, everything involved with Barbie. High pony roller skates, pink. So to even have something from this collection, I feel so happy because it's so my Maddie's collection, and I'm so glad that she likes my item. So if you like that video, guys, please go ahead and give Maddie and I a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and Maddie's channel, there are links below. Please go ahead and do so. And that is it. Want to say bye?
Sorry, I'm like, oh, I'm just watching my Jerusha Couture video. I'm like, oh wow, I can't believe our video's over. What is the ad about to play? No, thank you guys so much. I was so excited to be here. If you liked this video, there is another video just like it over on my channel where I will be unboxing something and Jerusha will be reacting. And so head over there and check it out. Please. And thank you so much for having me, Jerusha. It was like dream come true.
You are more than, I know, we're going to do it again. I can already tell. Oh, so this means that Maddie has an unboxing, a jewel unboxing where I'm seeing over on her channel. I will link it below.
All right.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.